Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with us. Today's episode is all about making plans. How to talk about what you're going to do, when, and with whom.
That's great because my friends always ask me, "What are you doing this weekend?" And I never know how to answer naturally.
Then today's lesson is perfect for you. By the end, you'll be able to talk about your weekend, your holidays, and even your future plans confidently. 1. The basics. Talking about future plans. Let's start simple. When we talk about something that is already decided, we use going to. For example, I'm going to visit my parents this weekend. She's going to study medicine next year. We're going to travel to Spain this summer.
So, going to is for things that are already planned, right?
Exactly. You made the decision before speaking. Now, if you decide at the moment, you use will.
Oh, like if I suddenly say, "I'm hungry, I'll make a sandwich."
Perfect example. It's not planned, it's spontaneous.
So, going to equals planned, will equals spontaneous.
Yes, that's a golden rule. 2. Using the present continuous for arranged plans. Here's another way to talk about future plans. The present continuous. We use it when we have a fixed arrangement, like a time or place. For example, I'm meeting my boss tomorrow. She's having lunch with her cousin at noon. We're flying to London next week.
So, both "I'm going to meet my boss" and "I'm meeting my boss" are possible.
Yes, both are correct. But I'm meeting my boss sounds more fixed, like it's already on your calendar.
Got it. So it's stronger.
3. Asking about someone's plans. Now let's see how to ask about other people's plans. You can say, "What are you doing this weekend? Do you have any plans for tonight? Are you free on Saturday? What time are you meeting your friends?"
And if I want to sound friendly but not too direct.
Good question. Try these softer ones. Are you up to anything this evening? Do you have anything planned? They're very natural and polite.
Up to anything. I hear that a lot in movies.
Yes, it's common. For example, "What are you up to this weekend?" means, "What are your plans?"
4.
Making simple plans. Let's try it in conversation. Maya, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm probably staying home. Why?
I was thinking of going hiking. Do you want to join?
That sounds nice. When?
Saturday morning, around 9.
Perfect. I'm going to bring some snacks.
Awesome. We have a plan.
Wait, what if it rains?
Then we'll go next weekend. See? We'll go because we decide now.
Ah, the will rule again.
Exactly. 5. Vocabulary Corner. Talking about time. When making plans, it's important to use time expressions correctly. Here are some common ones this weekend. Next week. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow night. In the evening. On Saturday. On Friday. At 6 p.m. At noon.
Can I say on tomorrow?
No. We never say on tomorrow. We just say tomorrow. But we do say on Monday, on the weekend, on my birthday.
Got it. English is tricky sometimes.
It is. But you're learning fast. 6. Useful phrases for making plans. Let's go through a few phrases that make you sound natural. Situation expression. Suggesting a plan. Let's go out for coffee. Asking availability. Are you free this weekend? Confirming details. What time are we meeting? Expressing excitement. Sounds great. Showing uncertainty. I'm not sure yet. Maybe.